Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to draw 3D box, rectangle or cube in Microsoft Word. Insert shape. Here is the cube. Draw it. Make color changes. And 3D box. Here you can implement effect what you need here like this. Thanks for watching. How to draw 3D box in Microsoft Word document. Rectangle or cube. So insert shapes and here you will get this 3D can or cube. And make color changes, modify whatever you need here. In the shape outline shape effect, you can make more changes. Thanks for watching.